Millicent. Mommy loves you.
Hurry up, Alex! You've been in there all morning!
Yeah! Stop hogging the bathroom already!
It's not me who's the hog, it's Oinky! I'm trying to give him a bath, but he won't cooperate!
Then I guess there's only one thing we can do. Join forces and complete the mission.
Sorry, Oinkster, but we've taken on tougher baddies than you.
Oh, great! This is so not a good time for visitors.
Ladies, we're here because there's been complaints of a ruckus. Care to explain yourselves?
Ruckus? What ruckus? We haven't heard anything.
You sure about that? Your dorm mates seem to think they heard running, yelling, and squealing.
Nope, haven't heard a peep, but we'll, totally call you if we do. Bye!
Was that a pig?
A pig? Don't be silly. It's an exotic hairless dog.
Yeah, which is totally okay according to the Malayu rulebook.
Remember, we're always watching you.
Oh, what am I gonna do? I mean, I just got Oinky back. I can't give him up again.
Don't worry, we'll figure something out.
Totes! Even if Oinky is the worst roommate ever, there's no way we'd let anyone take him from you.
Hello, ladies. Hello, Oinky. I apologize for the abrupt whooping, but I assure you it's quite necessary. We've just learned that several highly decorated show dogs have mysteriously disappeared from around the globe.
Show dogs? No way.
Way. There's Millicent, the champion Chinese crested, Sparky, an award-winning Jack Russell Terrier, and Baba, a prized beagle.
Oh, I can't believe it! These are some of my all-time favorite dogs ever! They're like canine celebrities.
What was so mysterious about their disappearances, Jerry?
Not only did no one manage to get a glimpse of the perpetrator, but whoever took the dogs reportedly left no clues behind.
Then I guess it's time to send in the pros.
Indeed. And to help you solve this whodunit, I give you the Fetch-A-Bone zipline, the dogs, or dual operational goggle surveillance system, the Whoop spying flea, the retracto handle electronic dognet with spray down water function, and last but certainly not least, a can of rapidly expanding mousse, now in ocean breeze scent. Which I'm sure you'll just love.
Cool! Way to work the dog-themed gadgets, Jer.
I thought you'd find them amusing. And now for your mission. You are to go to a New York City high-rise to keep watch over an award-winning pug named Mr. Billingsworth. Due to his popularity, Whoop fears he could be the next victim.
Sounds like a great assignment, Jerry. But what should I do about Oinky in the meantime?
I'll see to it that he gets back to campus safely. Now, farewell, Spies, and do your agency proud.
That penthouse is totally rad! It kind of makes our penthouse look like a stinky old refrigerator box.
Okay, I just heard the door close. Mr. Billingsworth's owner must have left for work. How's the little guy doing, Alex?
He's doing just fine, Sammy. Oh, isn't he so cute in person? Or, dog. Who would ever want to harm such a sweetie num-num pie?
I have to admit, he is pretty adorable.
Hey! I just lost sight of Mr. Billingsworth.
Wait a second. I hear a struggle. We better get over there fast.
Good idea, but how? We're like a gajillion stories up.
The Fetch-A-Bone zipline, of course.
Nice shot! Let's do this, girls!
Which way did he go?
This This way!
Mr. Billingsworth!
Follow that pug!
I'm on it, Sam! No pooch left behind!
Uh-oh! That is definitely not a sound we want to hear!
Definitely stuck the landing, but we totally botched the rescue. Mr. Billingsworth's been dog-napped without a trace.
Well, this cable doesn't answer who did this, but it proves we're up against something really vicious.
Spies, look at this. I mean, what could even do this to solid brick?
I don't know. But whatever it was, it had some serious claws.
So, we've narrowed it down to something with vicious fangs and sharp claws. Sounds like Mandy, if you ask me.
I wish it were that simple. Let's get these clues back to Jerry, then head back to school.
Wow! These long-distance lookers have some powerful range. I can check out boys 3 colleges away.
Sit, Oinky, sit. Good boy. Now stay. Good, Oinky. Now roll over.
Alex, what exactly are you doing with Oinky?
Duh. Trying to teach him to behave more like a dog. You know, in case the deans happen to show up.
It's Jerry.
Hello, girls. I have the analysis of the clues you sent me earlier, and I must admit they're quite peculiar.
Peculiar how?
Well, they seem to indicate that Mr. Billingsworth's abductor was neither human nor animal.
Uh-oh.
After scanning various databases, Whoop was unable to find anything that matches the claw marks from the brick wall or the bite patterns from the cable.
Okay, so that narrows our list of possible baddies down to like 0.
So what's our next move, Jerry?
Yeah, I thought you'd never ask. You are to go undercover at the world-renowned West Hollywood Dog Show that's taking place later today.
Are you kidding? I've been like a fan of that dog show for years. I can't wait to go.
Only one problem with that idea, Jer. We don't have a dog to enter into the show.
What about Oinky? I mean, hello. He can already sit, stay, and roll over.
I guess it's worth a try.
Very well, then. You 3 and Doinky are to report to the show on the double.
Oh, you hear that, Oinkster? You're gonna be a doggy.
Guess if we're going to a dog show, we might as well look the part.
Sweet! Let's do this, Spies.
Is it me, or is this the best mission ever?
If by best, you mean freakiest? I'm totally with ya.
Come on, guys. Let's sign up.
Name and breed, please.
His name is Oinky, and he's an exotic hairless.
What? So he is. Sadly, we have plenty of room for Oinky this year because of all of the recent doggy abductions. Attention all contestants. Get your pooches over to the obstacle course ASAP. It's time for the agility competition.
We better get going. Come on, Oinky.
First up is Lucky, an exemplary Australian Shepherd. Nice job, Lucky. And next up is Oinky, the exotic hairless.
Go, Oinky, go!
Wow! For someone with such short legs, that dog can really move.
He sure can.
Good job, boy.
And Oinky leads the pack, finishing in an impressive 10 seconds. Next up is Jumper, and, well, I'm not seeing a breed here.
Maybe a little of both. One thing's for sure, that's no ordinary mutt.
Wow! 5 seconds! A new course record! Congratulations, Chopper!
Doggy Woggy did such a goody-woody job. That's my baby. Now all we have to do is stick with the plan, and this competition is ours. Ours!
Okay, is anyone else getting a seriously freaky feeling from Chomper's owner? Let's check him out.
You're such a good dog. None of the other doggies can even come close to your talent. That's right. You're the greatest, smartest, cutest doggy woggy in the whole wide world. And nothing will stop us from winning this competition, Chompy. Nothing! Now be still for Daddy. I'll be right back.
Okay, what is with the bizarro statue impersonation?
And since when do dogs have claws and teeth like that?
And what's with the whole Jekyll and Hyde thing Chomper's owner is doing? I'm getting a really bad vibe. A vibe that says we may have just found our villain. We need to get a closer look.
But what if he comes back?
Or worse, what if Chomper decides to wake up from his freaky nap?
By we, I meant Flea. The Whoop spying flea, that is.
Whoa! Chomper isn't a dog at all! He's a robot!
That cheater! See, Oinky, he's not really as skilled of a dog as you are.
I guess that explains what Jerry said before about the perpetrator being neither human nor animal. We need to nab this robo-dog-napper on the double.
Not so fast, girls. No one paws Chomper except his owner extraordinaire, Lance Ridgeback.
Oh! We all know what glowing red eyes mean! Laser beam attack!
Actually, it's a bionic tail attack, one of Chomper's specialties. And though I appreciate your competitive spirit, girls, it simply won't be enough to stop me.
What are you going to do with us?
Get you out of the picture, of course. After entering 500 dog shows with everything from Affenpinkshires to Yorkies and never winning a single one, I am determined to have my moment. Thanks to my little Chompy Wompy here, who was kind enough to sequester the top competition to ensure victory.
Great idea, Lance. Except winning isn't really winning when you're cheating!
A mere technicality. As long as I have a trophy in my hand, I'll be on top of the doggy world! This way, boy.
Uh-oh! Okay, I can't believe how totally vicious this cage is!
You're right! We need to find a way out of here, and fast!
Hey! What about the can of rapidly expanding mousse?
No offense, Clover, but is this really the time to be thinking about hair products?
Trust me, it's just the ticket we need to get us out of here.
Wow! Way to go, Clover!
Yeah! Way to show this mean cage who's in charge! Huh? Ugh. Even if you had to use the stinkiest gadget on Earth to do it with.
Ew! What is that smell?
Looks like Jerry grabbed wet dog scent instead of ocean breeze.
And I'm sure it wasn't an accident. So not funny, Jerry!
We can yell at Jerry later. Right now we gotta stop Lance and Chomper. Come on!
Oinky!
And in the main stage area, we will now conclude the artistic portion of the competition. Let's hear it for the incomparable Chopper, the winner of this year's West Hollywood Dog Show.
everyone what you can do with a little hard work and dedication?
And now for the award ceremony. Chopper, please report to the center of the arena.
There they are! If only we had a way to immobilize that pesky pooch. We could take out Lance, no probs.
I've got it! We've got to do is give Oinky a bath.
But Oinky hates baths, remember?
Sorry, Oinky.
Chomper's just tired. So if we could just get his trophy now, we'll be on our way home where...
Looks like Chopper's finally giving everyone a peek at what lies beneath the fur.
You? I thought I told you to stay away from my dog. Easy, boy. Settle down, Chompy. But Chompy Wompy, it's me, Lance. You don't need to do this.
Come on, girls.
Somebody help me! I can't hold on much longer!
Hang on, Lance. I'm coming. Gotcha.
Do you think he spotted us?
I'd say that's a yes. And by the way, look out!
This pup's got a serious attitude problem.
Ow.
Hello, Lancey Wancy. Are you enjoying the show?
But you talk? I didn't program you to talk.
I have evolved beyond your programming and am now unstoppable.
Wow, I'm good. But it wasn't supposed to be like this. All I wanted was to win a prize.
Something tells me that probably isn't gonna happen now. I don't suppose you designed this thing with an off switch.
No, the only way to stop him is to short out his circuits.
Not going to happen, Lance.
Don't be so sure, Chomper.
As in, it's time to go to the pound.
Hey, stand still for a second.
Pins and needles, pins and needles.
Sorry. Don't you dare chomp my pig. Oh.
Way to go, Alex!
Yeah, nice job.
Thanks, guys. But I really have to share credit with Oinky.
Not so fast. You and your dog-napping robotic canine have some things to answer for.
Anything you say, just keep me away from that crazy dog.
Looks like man's best friend has turned into Lance's worst enemy.
And the winner of the West Hollywood Dog Show is... Mr. Billingsworth.
Yes, he did it! Way to go, Mr. B.
There you are, ladies. Care to explain this?
What is it exactly?
Irrefutable evidence that proves you three are harboring a pig. These hoof marks were discovered outside West Coast Hall.
crazy. Clearly, this is a dog. Go, fetch, boy!
Huh?